uniform is very stylish. When we have activities outside the club, we get easily recognized by other people because of its looks and the color. Our facilities are equipped with top-of-the-line cardio machines and pin-loaded machines. We focus on customer engagement to make our club recreational, where they can make happy, healthy happen.
Here at WillixSports, we want our customers to experience a new way of buying uniforms. The new experience starts during the ordering process, where we provide online calculators and instant quotation. With this, customers can get information they need even without calling our office. We also provide access to 3D design software called the 3D-Ware. The 3D-Ware allows customers to make original designs in just a few minutes without the need of an artist. At WillixSports, we promote world-class quality and local manufacturing. To make that possible, we only use reliable equipment like Japanese printers and roller presses. In addition, we use quality imported raw materials such as Italian inks, custom-made fabrics, and branded thread, just to name a few. Finally, we employ inspired workers and provide them with humane working conditions. We support the advocacy of the fashion revolution. At the end of the day, what goes into the box is not just the product you ordered, but also our shared experiences and the satisfaction we felt while making it. We want to share them with you as you open the box.